Here's an easy way to add stitches to your models in Blender. You're first gonna select an edge loop where you want to create some stitches. So we're gonna turn all these edges that we have selected right here into stitches. You're gonna press P and separate by selection. This is gonna turn this into a new object, which you can now edit in object mode separately. In this case, we got a subdivision surface modifier with 2 levels. We're gonna apply that. Now we have more geometry here. You might have to apply another level of subdivision surface so you have more edges here. Every edge is going to turn into a stitch. Now press V to tear vertices, then right click to cancel. Then do the same thing again and right click one more time. Press 2 to enter edge select mode and go up here to individual origins. Now you can scale every single edge down individually, separately, as you can see right here. In object mode, you're gonna go up here to object, go to convert, and then convert to curve. All you gotta do is go over here to curve properties on the right side now. Find the geometry menu, find the bevel section, and increase the depth. You're probably gonna wanna set this to something like 0.001. This is gonna add a little bit of thickness to these edges. And now you can convert this back to a mesh and add a subdivision surface modifier. And then you're gonna have some nice round stitches on your surface. Make sure to follow for more Blender tips like this.